monitoring video available. Please check the album within the app.
Hello friends, another 70mm dashcam video. In this video we're going to discover this brand new Omni X800-2 dashcam. Welcome to this new video. So 70mm released the new version of their Omni dashcam, which is a dashcam that can film at 260 degrees with this cute little My X in-car made. So this dashcam is an HDR dual channel dashcam with a smart parking guardian. It is 4G compatible, it has a built-in GPS and ADAS, buffered emergency recording, the 70mm Lumni Vision for night vision, the Sony Starvis technology, smart voice control and so much more. First let's check the box. As always, a really nice packaging. So these dashcams have a 360 degrees full view. They can turn around to film in front, left and behind the car. And especially with this dual vision, you have an inside car and even the rear view behind the car. Really great. Wi-Fi technology for quick transfer of images, 4K images, dual recording and the Sony Starvis 2. And especially the brand new AI motion detection 2.0. Compared to the previous Omni, the main differences is that the new one is quad core. It has a slightly bigger display, 4K images, the Starvis 2 Sony sensor, a slightly higher aperture of 1.7, the 2.0 version of the AI motion detection, and then the battery is a super capacitor which even allows you to monitor power consumption if you wired up with a 4G hardwire kit. With the screen, the connectors for the power and the rear cam, and an adjustable foot and speaker. Now note that it comes with its own rear cam. It isn't compatible with the previous rear cams, so if you already have a 70mm dashcam, you may need to change your rear camera as well. And then further in the box, we have the car charger and power cord. We have electrostatic stickers. They come in pairs. And then over here we have the tool to hide the cable, and then the long cable for the rear camera. The SD card slot. Now 70mm sells this dashcam with the dashcam only and the SD card as a free gift. The dashcam itself comes at 282 euros. Kit with the camera alone and a hardwire kit, you will pay 299 euros. The camera with the rear camera, you will pay 339 euros. And if you want the full kit, as you see here, the dashcam, the rear camera, the hardwire kit, you will pay 355 euros. They only sell the X800 with P03 hardwire kit, which is this one. I will show it in this review video with this hardwire kit, but know that it is compatible with the 4G hardwire kit, which is the UP04. And I will show those functionalities in a different video. So hit that subscribe button and be the first to be alerted of any new videos. Now let's go to the car and install this dashcam. You can see that I just added it here on the side and I ran the cable on the outside as well. When you do it for real, you have to hide it correctly. And in this video I will show you how you can run the wire correctly for your rear camera. Okay, so I prepared my hardwire kit. Now that I'm testing a lot of different dashcams, I already have connections ready to quick connect with hardwire kits. But if you want to know how to hardwire in detail, please check out this video where I explain exactly how to safely hardwire your dashcam. The three are wired. I have my ground connection right here. I have my access wire cable that will activate as soon as I unlock the car and drive, and this is my continuous 12 volts to activate the parking surveillance. So now let's tuck this away, put my panel back, run the remaining cable over to the top to connect my dashcam. Okay, so the cable runs over here temporarily and I retrieve it over here. The other dangling cable is my rear camera. Now I can power the dashcam, and then with the image on my smartphone I can check out for the best position. Like if I want to put it over here or right over here to see the best image and where it isn't as disturbing for me as a driver.
Hello, I am Max. Please use 70 my app to bind the device.
We add the device. There it discovered the new dashcam. So please confirm, click the power button on the device itself to confirm authorization.
Please format the memory card.
So now I have the image. Enter the beginning tutorial. So I'm in Europe. Save. To connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot. I'll keep it in English. And there we have the image. So now I can look for the best place to install the dashcam. So right over here. It will have a really great image in the middle of the car. And over here it sits just under my actual dashcam. Actually, I don't see a lot of difference between both spaces. I think it would be a little bit more discreet from the outside if I put it just behind my actual dashcam. So it's now installed on my windshield. Let's check the rear camera. Really nice image as well. When you first install the parking surveillance kit, you always get this error, so you have to start the car, turn it off, and then it will work. So let's connect again to the hotspot. It's connected. Let's see the tutorial. Next. English. So duration timed off to save battery vehicle hours unlimited. Collision detection, let's turn it on. Motion detection. Let's turn this on as well. Parking position. That's really nice. You can set the position of the camera lens. Next. So you see the voice commands. You see all the settings. So ADAS is off, voice control on. Speaker volume. Record audio. Okay, that all looks very good. Shoot vlog.
Get ready to say hi to the camera.
Camera reset.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
Capture right. Capture inside. Switch to rear view. Switch to front view. Camera reset. In the application itself, you can check out driving route as well, where you can see all the details. You can even simulate the real route that you took. Here we can see the album with all the videos, which are nicely classified. We can see the vlog videos, we can see parking surveillance, emergency videos. But there's also a timeline and where you can see all your trips correctly, so that's really cool, and the special events are even displayed in a different color. With this button arrows you can activate road story, where you have a layer with some additional information. Note that you will have this displayed only when you download it with the road story filter activated. Something that you also notice with this Omni is that the downloading of videos is really quick. So nice. I remember dashcams back in the days where it took ages to download a 1-minute clip. I think I can make it a little bit more discreet when removing my previous dashcam, so I can move the Omni a little bit higher. Just a pity for the white sticker, you can see the difference. It is really noticeable with the white sticker. You can see its motion detection activates now, it's filming me again. It's really accurate. For overall conclusion, I think this new Omni or the X800-2 with the rear dashcam is a really nice dashcam. The voice commands are really cool. It works great. The camera is reactive, and if you speak out the correct command, it reacts directly. The image quality is amazing. The front camera 4K images are so nice, so detailed. You can clearly zoom into license plates. The colors are really bright. For the rear camera, those images are as always visible, usable, but aren't that detailed. Now for the downsides of the dashcam, it is a little bit bulky and you have to install it low enough so it can capture the inside as well. And especially with those red buttons, it makes it really visible. So that's a pity. The sticker is well strange enough. It's a white sticker, so from the outside it is more obvious. I would prefer to have seen a black 3M sticker. Now this said, especially for parking surveillance, this camera is a great deal, as it is the only one that keeps the surveillance all around the car at 360 degrees. As soon as something moves around your car, the camera tracks the person and will film everything. Personally, I'm not sure yet if I'm going to keep my A510, which is well hidden, more discreet, or if I will keep my Omni and have all-round surveillance around the car. So let me know in the comments what you think about this dashcam or my other dashcams. If you want to know how this dashcam performs with the 4G hardwire kit, please check out this video where I show all those details. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to leave a like, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye bye.